Alright, so it's the moment y'all all been waiting for. Time to put these motherfucking lowers on from Advanblack. Let's get into it. Alright, so first and foremost, thank y'all for coming and watching the video. Today we're going to be taking what's in this box over here, which is the lowers. Make sure I got the right side for this video, because the other side I will be doing probably off video, off camera. And as you can see, it's that beautiful Velocity Sun Glow Red. It ain't a sexier color that Harley made, boy. Fight me in the comments. As you can see, as always, that paint color is gonna match. It is, like I said, it's just a sexy color. Sexy color. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take these and we're gonna put them on this bike right here. Now, for those of y'all that know, y'all know that I had bought this here, which was a GoPro mount, GoPro arm thing. It's not even that old. I bought it, I had it on the bars, holding my GoPro, and now it looks like it's not gonna have a home. So stay tuned and I'll tell you what's gonna happen with that, if anything at all. All right, so ta-da! That's it, right? That's half of it, or that's part of it. Let me set you a little bit closer. Now, they say that step number one of this is you have to reveal the back cap, which is done by that screw right there. I heard it's a 10 millimeter, but it looks like a Phillips as well. So I'ma Phillip that thing, you know what I'm saying? I'ma fill it up. Let me get a screwdriver. All right, so I will say that from other videos that I saw, I do believe that there are design changes that have been made to make this easier. I don't believe the studs were on there on past videos. This video is being recorded in 2023. Once again, super sexy. Super sexy. Look at that. That is just sexy, boy. If you ain't buy Velocity Red Sun Glow, man, you bought the wrong bike. All right. So now, also included is this here, which is gonna go onto your lower crash bar like so, and we'll just hang that right there for now. Now, next step, take your beautiful Velocity Red Sun Glow lower fairing with all the care in the world, and you are going to want to finagle and finesse. Finagle and finesse. Just like that. Finagle and finesse. Finagle and finesse. Once you have finagled and finessed, you're gonna take a little metal bar there. try to use my knee just a little bit, since I don't have another person to kind of start that. And then on the lower parts, start that. Alright. So it's not all the way tightened down. However, we're getting close. Getting very close. So let me show you what it looks like thus far. That's kind of what you're rocking with right there. Okay. Okay, look at that. Look at that color match. Advanblack does it again, my boy. Ooh, they don't miss. Alright, so that motherfucker there. That motherfucker don't miss. Them lowers looking good on there. Indeed, indeed. Indeed, indeed. So, yeah. That's what we looking like. I know that I'm gonna have to go into the fairing for the LED lights. I would rather kind of do all that stuff at once, maybe. Cause honestly, I mean, it was the lowers was only, if you want to be technical, it was only 3 screws. You know what I'm saying? 3 screws, 3 bolts. So them can come back off because we got something else that's gonna require them to come back off. Y'all let me know what y'all think it is in the comments. And then as far as the if we do any upgrades to the music, more than likely we're gonna have to get inside of there. So definitely looking at upgrading speakers, possibly even the head unit. Don't want to necessarily go too fast though, but I do want to add my music, and that might be a giveaway clue of what's coming next, but I do want to have the rest of that on there. Look at that there, that there. Put your little doobie in the ashtray. Down there, I'm talking about. Lower's looking succulent. So yeah, that'll probably be the next. We already got an amp. That might not be till like next year though. I won't say next year, but like I said, we is coming up on the riding season. I think I'm just gonna focus on putting more miles on the bike. I don't know. That's what I said at first, but yeah. So we're definitely gonna be in traffic with it more. I think these lowers is definitely gonna make a difference. Keep some additional wind off your leg, man. I was riding the other day, and like I felt it. It was like the wind was beating up my damn shins, like pop, pop, pop. Like I owed it some money or something. It was beating me in my damn shins. So I don't know, man, but I know it looks good. Super, super sexy. So, yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Advanblack for the win. I think so. Advanblack for the win. I think so.